Okay, I'm so sorry about what you heard. FeetFinder is a scam, okay? And not legit at all. You have to be careful. Once and for all, I will answer your question in this video. I just can't find the right words to say to you all. Just don't know. Like, okay, you know what? Let us stop this nonsense. I quit. I'm done, okay? I'm done. Hey, what's up, fellow foot fetish? I'm here once again for another video. This time, it's a video that you all must hear. You all deserve to know this, so please listen to every word I say and stay until the end of the video because I will reveal everything. Speculations online are spreading like thin air with too many unjustifiable claims that FeetFinder is a scam and phishing for personal information. I just think that it is too much to think about. As a seller myself, I find this very disturbing. Unknown to many, FeetFinder has a lot of verified, excellent reviews. So let's take a look at them on this site. Let us read some comments posted online from Verified and Satisfied Fetish. So for today's video, let us talk about FeetFinder Reviews 2022 and let's find out why it is not a scam. Unknown to many, FeetFinder has a lot of verified, excellent reviews. So let's take a look at them on their website. Let's read some of the comments posted online from verified and satisfied customers and sellers. So for today's video, let's talk about FeetFinder Reviews 2022 and let's find out why it is not a scam. So we're going to go ahead and go to the reviews on their website, as you can see, FeetFinder.com. Let's go to the reviews. As you can see, there are a plethora of reviews on here. So let's read them one by one. So this was from 28 minutes ago from Pedro. Thanks to FeetFinder, can't think of any other platform to compare this with at all. And I'm still buying feet pics nonstop to keep the fire blazing. Keep it up, sweetheart. And it says you can text me on Snap or Telegram. Now here's another review from Sasha Stone 34 minutes ago. Completely honest review. Pros, it's a really easy and straightforward platform to use, which I love. The tags are accessible and vast. Plus, the subscriber option is really cool for people who want to use it for a main source of income. Cons, sometimes it takes a little bit too long to approve your content. Also, not really FeetFinder's fault. There are a handful of profiles stating that they are not into feet and are looking for something more than buying content, which is annoying, mainly because it's not a dating site. Overall, I like FeetFinder and their blogs are consistent and informative, as you can see right there. Now let's go to the next review. And this is from Prudence. Safe and sexy. Safe and sexy, that's all I need to know. Yes, and as I've said in this video, FeetFinder is a very safe platform. You don't have to worry about your information getting anywhere. You don't have to worry about your videos going anywhere if you are a seller. It's all confidential. This is from Alfie Fisher. Perfect app, cheers. That's what he said, perfect app. Cheers. This is from Jasmine Barajas. FeetFinder is the best. FeetFinder has been the best thing that has happened in my life. I love looking at some good feet, and it has some amazing feet. This is from Mind Stats from 3 hours ago. Awesome site. Something like this has been needed in the foot fetish community, and all of these are verified users. This is from Sold in the USA. Love FeetFinder. I started a month and a half ago. Not only have I found my passion, but I've made a bunch of money too. If you're thinking for going for it, do it. And I have to agree. You have to take a chance in life. And this is the perfect website to do so because it's so safe. It's so secure. It's the best way to explore this community in a safe way. Okay? Safe and protected way. This is also from 3 hours ago. From Happa Girl Toes. The best customer service experience I've ever had. They had my questions answered and resolved within a few emails. I'm talking 15 minutes max between the both of us communicating. Very friendly and professional. You won't be disappointed with how easy it is to use this site. That's this review right here. Okay, so the next review is from Tizzy Love from just 4 hours ago, from Tizzy Love. Tizzy Love said, I just hopped in on the FeetFinder wave last month and I'm loving it so far. It definitely takes patience finding people really willing to pay, but stay consistent with your content. It's so easy to use. They tell you when people are verified and real, and you meet some of the sweetest people. And then it says, hit me on Snap, and then it has her Snap and Telegram. So as you can see, she is a verified seller, and she said that it actually tells you when the people are verified and real, which is very, very important with this type of website to maintain your safety. Let's see some more. Here's another one from 7 hours ago from Samia King. Very helpful, quick to solve queries and emails. Very impressed. So that's speaking on their customer service side of things, which really gives you confidence knowing that their customer service is so much on top of things and their communication is open. That should give you a feeling of security knowing that you're joining a welcoming and open and helpful community that care about their sellers and their buyers. Okay, and this is the last one we'll go ahead and check out. This is from Kaylee from 6 hours ago. New looking for tips and followers. That's her caption or her title of her review. Let's see what she says. Love this website. I'm new here and looking for followers, and any tips are welcome. Come follow me for daily content. The platform is so easy to use. So she just joined. Kaylee just joined. As you can see right here, Kaylee just joined and she's already saying it's super easy to use. She's looking for more followers. Like, how much better can it get? An easy way to make money and an easy way to fulfill your fetish. There you have it, friends. The reviews say it all. There is no doubt that FeetFinder.com is your go-to website if you want easy money and legit buying and selling feet content. So to those who said that FeetFinder is a total scam, I tell you up front, you are wrong, okay? I just feel that I need to speak up because for one, I know how unreal those speculations are. I have personally experienced how smooth, how real, and how buying and selling in FeetFinder is so easy. I cannot stress enough how legit this website is. People say it easily that it is a scam and fraud, but ironically, the ones saying all this negative feedback are the ones that do not have not one profile at all. And how fair is that? They didn't even get to try it. I'm making this video to make people aware that FeetFinder is safe and legit and protects data privacy of both buyers and sellers. Interestingly, unlike other feet fetish and subscription-based websites, FeetFinder does not have an app. All searches and transactions are done within the website. You can, however, access the site on your mobile device very easily. When it comes to legitimacy, most people agree that FeetFinder.com is a safe and secure place to buy and sell feet pics. Unfortunately, there's also been reports of scams against sellers, so there are a few things to be aware of when you come onto the site. You can revisit our old videos on this channel and see them for yourself. It is a legit platform and only verified users are allowed to make transactions. Asking for your information is part of the verification process and will only and solely, I cannot stress this enough, remain on the website, and that's it. Once and for all, let us cut the crap. Stop spreading fake news and promote FeetFinder instead. Feel free to subscribe to this channel to learn more about FeetFinder and its legitimacy. Never miss any information from us. Be the first to know when a new video is uploaded. Wishing you a happy and healthy exploration into whatever turns you on.